偏偏偏
Measure word used for writings or articles.
Measure word used for writings or articles.
你知道那篇文章的作者是谁吗？你知道那篇文章的作者是谁吗？你知道那篇文章的作者是谁吗？
Do you know who the author of that article is?
Do you know who the author of that article is?
他写了一篇关于他自己的文章。他写了一篇关于他自己的文章。他写了一篇关于他自己的文章。
He wrote an article about himself.
He wrote an article about himself.
这篇报道将事情的发生经过写得很详细。这篇报道将事情的发生经过写得很详细。这篇报道将事情的发生经过写得很详细。
This report describes what happened in detail.
This report describes what happened in detail.
作家，作家，作家。
Writer.
Writer.
他想成为一名网络作家。他想成为一名网络作家。他想成为一名网络作家。
He wants to be an online writer.
He wants to be an online writer.
他是一位科幻小说作家。他是一位科幻小说作家。他是一位科幻小说作家。
He is a science fiction writer.
He is a science fiction writer.
他是一位获得诺贝尔文学奖的作家。他是一位获得诺贝尔文学奖的作家。他是一位获得诺贝尔文学奖的作家。
He is a writer who won the Nobel Prize for Literature.
He is a writer who won the Nobel Prize for Literature.
当时，当时，当时。
At that time.
At that time.
当时很多人都不看好他。当时很多人都不看好他。当时很多人都不看好他。
At that time, many people were not optimistic about her.
At that time, many people were not optimistic about her.
我当时并没有想到事情会这么严重。我当时并没有想到事情会这么严重。我当时并没有想到事情会这么严重。
I didn't think it would be that serious at that time.
I didn't think it would be that serious at that time.
当时我就担心他适应不了那里的环境。当时我就担心他适应不了那里的环境。当时我就担心他适应不了那里的环境。
At that time, I was worried that he would not be able to adapt to the environment there.
At that time, I was worried that he would not be able to adapt to the environment there.
可是，可是，可是。
However. But.
However. But.
他积极减肥，可是效果并不理想。他积极减肥，可是效果并不理想。他积极减肥，可是效果并不理想。
She actively lost weight, but the effect was not satisfactory.
She actively lost weight, but the effect was not satisfactory.
本来今天打算去爬山的，可是下起了大雨，所以就取消了。本来今天打算去爬山的，可是下起了大雨，所以就取消了。本来今天打算去爬山的， 可是下起了大雨，所以就取消了。
I originally planned to go hiking today, but it started raining heavily, so I cancelled it.
I originally planned to go hiking today, but it started raining heavily, so I canceled it.
尽管我很努力学习，可是成绩仍然不理想。尽管我很努力学习，可是成绩仍然不理想。尽管我很努力学习，可是成绩仍然不理想。
Although I studied hard, my grades were still not satisfactory.
Although I studied hard, my grades were still not satisfactory.
正确，正确，正确。
Correct. Right.
Correct. Right.
你完全正确。你完全正确。你完全正确。
You are absolutely right.
You are absolutely right.
无论做什么，首先要找到正确的方向。无论做什么，首先要找到正确的方向。无论做什么，首先要找到正确的方向。
No matter what you do, you must first find the right direction.
No matter what you do, you must first find the right direction.
父母应该以正确的方式教育孩子。父母应该以正确的方式教育孩子。父母应该以正确的方式教育孩子。
Parents should educate their children in the right way.
Parents should educate their children in the right way.
理想，理想，理想。
Ideal.
Ideal.
大学毕业后，他一直找不到理想的工作。大学毕业后，他一直找不到理想的工作。大学毕业后，他一直找不到理想的工作。
After graduating from college, he could not find his ideal job.
After graduating from college, he could not find his ideal job.
这次考试的成绩并不理想。这次考试的成绩并不理想。这次考试的成绩并不理想。
The results of this exam were not satisfactory.
The results of this exam were not satisfactory.
我理想的男朋友是性格阳光、积极向上的男孩。我理想的男朋友是性格阳光、积极向上的男孩。我理想的男朋友是性格阳光、积极向上的男孩。
My ideal boyfriend is a boy with a sunny personality and a positive attitude.
My ideal boyfriend is a boy with a sunny personality and a positive attitude.
谢谢观看。